Introduction. This is an abstract prototype video. It aims to demonstrate a new concept for an air heater. The goal was to combine a portable transmitter, a sensing device and an air heater in a ubiquitous environment. The used sensing device is an ambient light sensor and the portable transmitter is Bluetooth. Currently, air heaters can heat and blow air. For heating the air, a heating element is used. The heated air is transported into the room by a fan.
Imagine this. It's a dark and cold winter's day and you're coming home from work. You need a big hug and a hot chocolate, but there's no one here to welcome you. The only thing you can do is start up your air heater to not feel cold anymore. But who's there to warm you up on the inside? No one.
The room can be cooled by just using the fan.
Now imagine this. It's a warm and hot summer's day. You're all heated up by the weather, but there's no one there to share this feeling with. You need a nice and refreshing cold beer and a cool swimming pool. But this is too hot to manage and the only thing you can do is start up the fan of your air heater.
These were just two typical examples of the air heater in action. It shows that, even though it offers some relief on cold and warm days, it still has a lot more potential when it can be combined with ubiquitous computing and other media devices. Improvements are possible in the following aspects: new functionality, user experience and energy consumption. Applying these aspects, we propose the following concept as an improvement of the current air heaters. The concept is called iAir heater, which turns on your iTunes by sensing the light temperature.
So how does it work? The iAir heater, which turns on your iTunes by sensing the light temperature, works by sensing the light temperature and the actual temperature of the room where the air heater is placed in. According to this temperature, it adjusts the played music. The whole system starts up when the system detects a movement in the house. The movement sensor detects if someone's walking in the house, and this data is sent to the air heater by Bluetooth. The air heater reacts by measuring the temperature in the room. With this temperature, the air heater can decide if it needs to be turned on or off. Next to measuring the actual temperature, it also measures the light temperature in the room. This is done by using an ambient light sensor that is incorporated into the air heater. By combining the light temperature with the actual temperature, the air heater can analyze the atmosphere of the room. In the air heater there is a database with the combinations of the two types of temperatures and the corresponding playlist. For example, a room with a temperature of 15 degrees and a light temperature of about 1800 degrees Kelvin corresponds to a warm winter environment at the fireplace. This knowledge is translated to a jazzy playlist that is sent to the iTunes playlist by Bluetooth. If the music genre is not present in the iTunes library, the air heater will find the next best compatible genre until there is a match.
Scenario. Imagine a dark, cold winter day. Kareem comes home from a long day of work. He feels really cold and lonely. His movement turns on the air heater. It starts measuring the room and light temperature. The air temperature is 20 degrees. The sun is setting and therefore the light temperature is 1800 Kelvin. This combination screams for some soothing classical music. Now Kareem warms up inside and forgets all about the stressful day. He's ready for a long and relaxing evening.
But it isn't always winter. Imagine a warm, long, bright summer's day. Fleur has just arrived from a relaxing day at the beach. It's about 7 o'clock and she does not feel like doing anything for the rest of the evening. Her air heater has noticed that she's entered the building and immediately starts measuring the light and actual temperatures again. This time the actual temperature is 27 degrees and the light temperature is 5000 Kelvin. This situation needs to be supported by some uplifting salsa music and a cool breeze from the air heater. She immediately gets an energy boost, calls her friends and gets a party going.
Innovative aspects. To conclude this video, here's a short recap why this product is so innovative. First and foremost, our new iAir heater, which turns on your iTunes by sensing the light temperature, improves the user experience by increasing the amount of senses that is stimulated. The artifact surface combination primarily acts on the background of the user's perception. This makes it a ubiquitous product. Besides this, the system also operates by creating a network of different devices which cooperate with each other. This creates more functionality. The air heater is turned on and off when needed. Because of that, the air heater can never be turned on and use energy when it's not needed. Therefore, the energy consumption is better regulated than in most normal air heaters. Unlike the current air heaters, this one is always ready for operation thanks to the moving sensor. Because of this alertness, the user may not even notice the air heater is there, and that is exactly what we want from a ubiquitous system.